Good morning. Good morning to one and all. Today I'll speak about how to speak English effectively. I want everybody to think that English is a global language and we need to learn it like any other skill. Earlier, we didn't know how to ride a car, we didn't know how to ride a bike, we didn't know how to swim. All this we have learned. Similarly, English is also not our mother tongue, we just need to learn it like any other skill. So, to learn English, I'll say five tips. First one is be a good listener. You try to listen English first to speak in English. So, to listen in English, I ask people to listen whatever you like. You may listen to me or any other person, any other thing, or you can watch any other English movie, or you can just see any cricket commentary, whatever it may be, which is in English. First, listen English, listen the vocabulary, listen the proper pronunciation, listen it. Then only you can get new words so that we can speak. In India, we have a good vocabulary. The problem with us is we don't just try to practice in English. That is second thing is we have to think in English first before speaking. We just need to think in English. How can we think in English? Every time we'll have some or the other thought within our mind going on. Just apply some English formulas to it. Just for example, if you are thinking like my today's to-do list is to do this thing first, to do something like that, just speak within yourself. Think within yourself in English and speak first within yourself in English. Then after that, you can use any conversation books. In my schoolings, we had conversation books. We just in that conversation books we'll have characters. For example, Raju, Ravi, John, Joseph, whoever it may be. Two people will just read each line of the character. That was really helpful. Just try with the one who you know. You read one character and ask other person to be the other character. Then you can know how actually the conversation is going on. Conversation means speaking. How the speaking actually is going on, you can know. Just use it. Buy any conversation book. See, it's always good to invest in ourselves. We have to be the better version of ourselves every day. Even I need to improve my English every time because English is not my mother tongue too. Fourth thing is you just join any grammar class. In India, the people who know English effectively, they always be cautious about the grammar. They always try to listen to the opposite person through grammar only. They will be ready to correct. They will be ready to criticize. They'll be ready to do what not. They'll ready to laugh at your face like what kind of English you are speaking and all. So invest in yourself. Buy conversation books. Join any grammar class nearer to you. English grammar class nearer to you. It's all will be helpful for you. See, you may be a homemaker, you may be a student, you may be whoever you are, but in today's world it is like it is essential for us, it is very essential for us to learn this language too. And in this 21st century, due to this social media, it's very easy to listen the skill unlike earlier. And then after this, I just want you to think what all you can do to learn this language effectively. For me, these are the 5 points. First thing is being a good listener. Second thing is thinking in English. Third is using conversation books. Fourth is joining class. Fifth is practicing. Any skill will be complete only if you practice. So these are the points according to me which helped me to the English which I am using now. See, yesterday I tried to make a Hindi video. While listening to itself, that video, I felt like I'm just translating English. That much my thought has been changed from Hindi to English. So I think it is very important for us in this global era to learn English. Please find time, find effort, try to learn your English. And if you like what I am saying, just press a like button, share this, and subscribe for further notifications. Thank you.